Well, the Indonesian Minister of Trade, Zulkifli Hasan, has requested tofu and tempeh vendors not to protest the rising soybean prices, which have reached 14,500 rupiah per kilogram, which is about $1 per kilo. Now, Minister Zulkifli ensured that imported soybeans will soon enter the market and then normalize the prices. According to the Indonesian Minister of Trade, Zulkifli Hasan, the Indonesian government has instructed the Indonesian Bureau of Logistics to import soybeans from the United States as much as 350,000 tons starting early December. Imported soybeans are expected to enter Indonesia at the end of this month or no later than early January 2023. The Indonesian Minister of Trade hopes that the entry of imported soybeans can reduce the price of soybeans in the market. The soybeans imported by the Indonesian Bureau of Logistics will be priced at 11,000 rupiah per kilo.
Oleh karena itu pemerintah sudah memutuskan menugaskan Bulog untuk impor kedelai. Sudah sebulan 2 minggu yang lalu. Mungkin akan sampai ke sini tuh Desember akhir. Dijual nanti kira-kira antara 11 ribuan dijual. Nah, termasuk subsidinya 1.000 itu. Nah, mudah-mudahan dengan itu harga akan turun. Tapi karena jauh dari Amerika sana perlu waktu 45 hari kan. Jadi diperkirakan Desember akhir, paling lambat Januari sudah normal.
On to other news, but still from Indonesia, where officials from the country's Ministry of Transportation stated that the construction of the Jakarta to Bandung fast train is now 91.7% complete. The acting Director General of Railways of the Ministry of Transportation, Rizal Waisal, stated that this significant progress was based on the calculation of the actual investment value that has been issued by the contractor. The 142-kilometer long high-speed railway linking Jakarta to Bandung will have 4 stations. Now, 2 of the stations, the Halim and Karawang station, is now over 70% complete, while the Tegaluar station is 86% complete. The government is targeting the Jakarta to Bandung high-speed train to be completed and start operations by as soon as June 2023. According to the developer company, the high-speed train will cut travel time between Jakarta and Bandung to just 36 minutes.